reads IT expert doctors, trained persons from intelligence agency, trained dogs, etc. And autopsy is also done by expert doctors team of Special Investigation Unit SIU. Border and war policy. Zero tolerance on smuggling on border area. No country provides facilities to terrorists by using its border. No country attacks any country without giving a war message. In war message, two options will be given to other country. First is to surrender. Second is to fight with giving time for taking decision. Policy for martyrs' grave involve music with bands and other things like are done on martyrs and famous person's grave, like a god of honor is totally wrong. The best way is to go to grave and pray for his forgiveness according to religion. Policy for corruption. Any government employee who is involved in doing corruption or receiving bribe will be beheaded, and that amount is transferred to government account. Also, who gives bribe will be beheaded, and full investigation is done about assets of both parties. Policy for stoppage of black money. According to my opinion, every citizen must be filed. A full record of income and assets are available to government. If someone is buying an asset, firstly he proves from where money comes. Unfortunately, in our country, mostly persons are non-felon because they are doing black businesses and shows a legal business, etc. And also, when they purchase the property, then they transfer it to family members to stop this collection of more tax. It is compulsory to become felon and check and balance on personal activities. Urban Climate Equity and Sustainability Policy (RCES). Removal of rural and urban area. Merger of rural and urban areas and gave name urban to it. Plantation of trees. Get rid from automotive engines for fresh air. Every house that is built on 2,500 square feet can dig a hole in house for grey water. Ban on cutting of trees and promotion of forests to cool down temperature. Ban on cutting of mountains except for natural resources. Plantation of trees and industrial sector. Installation of solar panels and agriculture sector to generate electricity. All type of facilities that are available in rural and urban areas are available in urban. This will create equality and approach to everyone without wasting more time and money, etc. Policy for foreign currencies. According to my opinion, the value of all foreign currencies must be same, and now paper or plastic money must be replaced with gold and silver coins, because after World War, these currencies value is just a piece of paper and nobody accepts this. From the start, gold and silver coins are accepted in every time, and that is reality. Second question is about foreign currency. How to make it stable? All foreign currencies must be in possession of government. Removal of all money exchanges. Government banks provide money exchange facilities. No person is allowed to possess any foreign currency. Only foreign currency is given to that person who is going abroad. But that person mostly shows visa, and digital record is also done to prevent it from using multiple banks. Set a limit of currency exchange. When person comes in any country, then at airport all foreign currencies will be taken and exchanged to that local currency. Policy for bid. According to my opinion, bid gives advantage to the owner and burden is shifted to public. The best way is to tell the market price. The person who firstly applies will take this. If numbers are limited and an agricultural product, same rule will be applied. For example, in wholesale markets where producers sell fruit, vegetable, etc., directly to wholesalers are doing bidding in which price increases automatically and price of same product goes higher. This is wrong method. The price must be same for everyone.